Hello, my viewers. Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for everyone that be watching my videos. Actually, I just want to come up this morning to just encourage ourselves and to motivate one another because the life we are living today in general, so we need motivation, to encourage ourselves. Most of us, we are living lonely. We think we are alone. That has really caused a lot of problems, health issues to our life because we have no one to talk to. We don't even know who to advise us. I just want to encourage you that today you have someone who can encourage you. You have someone you can talk to. Your digital world is there. Any situation you're passing through, go on digital, Google it, find your solution. You can always get the best out of it. And surround yourself with people. Don't neglect yourself. Don't let surround yourself with people that matters, people that can encourage you, that can introduce you for something to keep you running. Don't think of your present situation. What has happened has happened. What you need to do, think ahead. Forget about the past and be in the present. Think of the present life, because when you're still debating about what happened to you yesterday, it keeps you down. So forget about it, move ahead, and think of positive way of how to survive your situation. So the most important part of it is that when you wake up in the morning, what do you do to yourself? You need to exercise yourself. When you wake up in the morning, you need to meditate. When you need to wake up in the morning, take care of your environment. Encourage yourself. Look at your appearance. If it's not something that you like, you can change it. How you can put on a nice clothes, a nice dresses might not be expensive, just to make sure that you are beautiful. You can like yourself. If you don't like yourself, nobody will like you. When you're speaking positive words to yourself, it's the same thing because the word is powerful. So how do we take care of ourselves? How do we look at ourselves? Do we judge ourselves? We don't need to judge ourselves. Look at yourself. Oh, I've passed through this situation. I can change it. I want to be what I want to be. I know what I can do. Even though if you don't have the idea, go on in internet. Check your idea. It will come. You have solution. Everything has solution. So, my dear, if you're there today, you're passing through difficulties. That is not the end of it. I'm here to encourage you. Stand on your feet. Make yourself happy. If it's video that you like watching that give you that joy, go ahead and look for such videos and watch it. If you like motivational speakers, there are so many motivational speakers on YouTube which you can watch. Or if you want to get yourself a business running, it might not be on your work that you think can survive you, that is the ultimate for you. You can get yourself, there's so many businesses online that you can be doing from your home that will not cost you anything, especially now that we are in lockdown, especially now that we are staying at home. We have all the time to do something new in our life. Create a skill, be skilled. You might have one before, but if it's not working for you, you can change to another one. There are so many businesses that can keep you running on the internet that is not expensive for you to take care of. There are even some that can even start on free of charge. When you're moving, when you're moving with people, it makes you to feel belongs. Most of this business we're talking about today online, some of them is not just come and buy and sell. Some of them is not just put your product there and keep on selling. Some are mindsets. They give you that mindset. They create in you a new habit entirely. So I want to encourage you today. Don't feel down. Don't feel neglected. Don't feel that you can't do it. The world is in your hands. You have all the capability to do what you want to do and to live the kind of life you want to live. Be encouraged. If there's no one to talk to you, talk to yourself. Go to the mirror, smile at the mirror. So, oh, Tina, you are beautiful. This morning, I like myself. I like my hair. Just speak a word that can give you that smiles on your face. Please, don't just base on your smartphone, sleeping on bed, eating. Do exercise. When you exercise, it helps your brain, it helps your body organs to move, to think something positive. Stop crying. Don't feel lonely anymore. The world is not lonely. The world is being supported by internet. Check yourself what is good for you and do it. Please and please. Don't think you are alone. Get yourself motivated. You have to blow your trumpet by yourself. If not, no one will blow it for you. If you think it's difficult for you now, what about if you are sick? By thinking, it leads to depression. After depression, what else? No solution. There is always solution to things. Please. So that's what I want to share with you today. Thank you, all my viewers. Thank you, my subscribers. So in case you want to be hearing more from me, please click the like buttons on this YouTube channels. So, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Thank you very much, and stay positive, stay focused, get yourself running. So love you guys. Bye.